Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to CodeTav Management. So today I'm going to give you a basic lecture of the Spring. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to the Spring Initializr. Okay. So when you will search this spring.io, okay, you will get this type of screen, right? So as a builder system, I am using the Maven. Okay. If you want, you can also choose Gradle Groovy. Okay, and the language I am choosing as Java. Spring Boot I have set as the default one 4.0.3, and then the project metadata group I have set as codetav.com.example. Artifact set as demo. Name is demo. Okay, you can give any descriptions. Okay, package name will be like your group name dot demo, like group name, then artifact name. Okay, like that. And packaging is jar type and configuration properties. You can also choose the YAML, okay, according to your choice. Okay, Java version I have chosen as 2021, and the dependency as of now, you can search here. I have searched the Spring Web. You will get this one, Spring Web, build web, including the RESTful applications using Spring MVC. Uses the Apache Tomcat as the default embedded containers. Press the enter button and you will get that dependency. Then you need to generate, and one zip file will be downloaded. Okay, after that you need to import that in your IntelliJ. I hope you have the IntelliJ IDE. I am using the community edition. Okay, so for the community edition, by default Spring is not there, so that's why through the Spring IO you have to create the project. Okay, otherwise you need to prepare whole these things, like proper structure of the Spring project. You need to prepare by yourself. Okay, so the best option is go to the Spring IO, and then the way I am showing to create any project, you can do the same way. So yeah, so you can see I have exported in my D folder. Okay, Spring, like personal project, Spring projects, and CodeTav, then demo. Okay, so this demo is there, and so that was your artifacts actually, right? Then the package name is codetav.com.example.demo. Whatever you have seen here, okay, the same one you will see as your package name. Okay, then this Spring Boot application, the main class, like where your main methods will be there, that will be already created, okay, in your zip file. Okay, so this is the entry point of the Java application, that also you know. Okay, so here I will say that, like when we select the Spring Wave, so I'm going inside this POM XML. Okay, here you can see the version of the Spring Boot is 4.0.3, the default version what we have chosen currently. And in the properties, you can see the Java version 21 that also we have chosen, and dependency like the virg.springframework.boot and artifact ID web MVC, as we have chosen the MVC Spring Web. Okay, right? So your plugins also is there, Spring Boot Maven plugin. Okay, so group ID, artifact ID, both are there. So when we select the Spring Web in the initializer, it drops this dependency into our POM example. That's what I am showing. So next, this project structure. If you will see the structure properly, so in your application, that dot idea you will get. Next is as it is the IntelliJ ID, so that's why. Okay. So next, dot maven as the wrapper. Here you have seen, right? The packaging we have chosen as the jar. Okay. And maven we have chosen as our build system. So dot maven you are seeing here. If you will choose the Gradle one, you will see the uh, files as the dot Gradle there, right? Then src is our main folder. Inside this main folder, you will have the Java folder, and inside that your main package will be there. And inside that we will create this controller, as I have created this controller package. Sorry, the controller folder. So that's why you are seeing there that controller here. In future we will make the service layer, then other configurations things and all. So all those things you need to keep inside that. And demo application is our main class. Okay. Next is resources. So in resources, you will see the application properties. In application properties, you are just seeing the spring.application.name as demo. We also can change that according to our use case. And if you will use the, like, if you will select the YAML file, then application.yaml file will be generated. We can also change this from application.properties to application.yaml as well. Not an issue for that. So I'm going inside that main demo application. So here see the Spring Boot application annotation. So this is the magic annotation. Why? So it tells the Springs to scan this package for other components and to automatically configure the application based on the dependencies we included. Now check this main method. So just like any standard Java program, Spring Boot starts from a simple main method. So that is the entry point, you know, right? Now I'm going inside the controller folder. The hello controller class I have prepared. Okay. So now see here, it is the another annotation. What it is? It is the REST controller annotation. So what it tells? So that tells the Spring that this class is a web controller, and any data returned by its methods should be written straight into the HTTP response body. Okay. So now see this get mapping, that is another annotation. So this routes any HTTP get request made to the hello URL. Okay, as we have only one get mapping here. Otherwise, you can prepare the other get mappings as well. If we will prepare other get mappings, and inside that if we will pass some other value, then inside that whatever you will return, that will be printed. So here inside the get mapping hello, okay, we are returning welcome to Spring Boot. So what we have done after that, we have we have run the applications. Okay, so here the by default port Tomcat started on 8080, right? Next, we are seeing the demo application started in 7.327 seconds. Okay, so our application is up here. Okay, here you can see the Spring Boot version as well, right? So these things you need to see properly. So when application is up, we are going to the browser, and we are just writing this local host colon 8080, as this port is up here. As in this port our demo application is running. Okay, now slash hello, now it is printing welcome to Spring Boot. Now if the another get mapping, suppose we are preparing, now we are printing hello to. Okay, and here also the another method say hello to. Okay, and now we are writing this welcome to Spring Boot 2. Again we are stop and running, we have to stop and run. Okay, as we have changed our code base, so the like to reflect the latest changes, we need to run again. Okay, so see properly here, building is going on. Now see our application like build has been completed. Now our application again started. Okay, started demo application. So what I was explaining here is like through the get mapping annotations. So this routes any HTTP GET request made to the slash hello. Okay, if we will with the slash hello, okay, if we will call, then any HTTP GET request made to that slash hello URL path directly will go inside this say hello method. In the same way, if we will do via slash hello to, it will go inside the say hello to method. Okay, and it will print that one. So I'm showing you. So see, that is already there with the local host. Otherwise, again, I am refreshing. Okay, so now if we will change the hello to, okay, now see, welcome to Spring Boot 2. Okay, again, I am changing to localhost hello. Okay, now I'm entering. Again, see, welcome to Spring Boot. Okay, like that. In that way, the other methods like other mappings are also there, like get mapping. Other are like post mapping, put mapping, okay, delete mapping. So those things are there. We will cover one by one, okay, in the next lectures. Thank you, everyone. Just hit the like, share, subscribe, okay. It will motivate me to make such more videos. Thank you, everyone.